Induction is a cooking method that I believe should replace traditional gas and electric coil stoves. Why? Because it's far superior. It's significantly faster to cook with and easier to clean than both other methods, which begs the question, why aren't more people using it? For those that don't know what induction is, it's a different type of stovetop that heats up the pan directly instead of the counter itself. It looks like an electric cooktop, but look what happens if I pour water on the hob after cooking with induction. And now see what happens after I cook with electric. Because induction just heats up the pan, it keeps your countertop cooler while cooking significantly faster since you don't have to wait for the coils to heat up. And since it doesn't get so hot, you don't have to wait until it cools down to clean it. To me, it's clear that induction is strictly better than an electric countertop. But what about gas? Here, there are probably even more advantages. First off, gas stoves are really hard to clean. I have to take off all these holders and clean them meticulously in the sink. Look how easy it is to clean with induction. Also, gas lights an open flame in your kitchen. Hello, grease fires. I gotta watch out that I don't spill any fat out of my pan. And don't even get me started on all the problems of having to pipe in a gas line into every home, for example the cost and the increased risk of fugitive emissions. One advantage that people say gas stoves bring is speed, but with induction, my food cooks faster than on a gas cooktop. Anyone that's used it before would know. For example, you see this water that I mixed in with turmeric so that y'all can see it? It boiled from room temperature in less than 50 seconds. For a more scientific approach, I got a liter of water at around 24 degrees Celsius to boil in about 3.5 minutes using max power. Anecdotally, this is significantly faster than any gas stovetop I've ever used. There are also several videos online showing induction heating up water twice as fast as gas. Another argument I've heard for gas stoves is control, but I'd say I get even more control with induction. Did I heat up my food too much and now smell a bit of burning on my induction pan? Easy, just turn the power down, no need to take it off. The pan is given exactly as much energy as you command. No guessing, just complete control. Finally, some will say that food tastes better on a gas stove. On a gas grill, I agree that the food tastes different since the food is cooked directly on the gas. I'm not arguing against that. However, on a stove, I can't tell the difference. The food is cooked indirectly through the pan, so the gas hardly changes the taste. After using all three methods in different points of my life, I'm convinced induction is the best. So if it's so great, why aren't more people using it? I think it's because people don't really know about it, especially in the US. It's not like they're ridiculously expensive either, with some induction hobs costing as much as gas cooktops. The only thing you have to watch out for when switching to induction is that your cookware is compatible. Luckily, most modern cookware that I see works, but again, make sure to double check. It's time we switch from electric and gas and say hello to induction.